Hey everyone, welcome back to SKSRTech, your home for the latest in AI, tech, and innovation. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting. OpenAI's brand new releases, O3 and O4 mini models. OpenAI's O3 and O4 mini models are not just upgrades, they're a whole new level of intelligent tools. They bring together powerful reasoning abilities with full tool integration like web browsing, Python coding image and file analysis, image generation canvas for visual tasks, smart automation, deep file search, and even memory features to keep track of conversations over time. These models don't just answer questions, they think, analyze, and even use external tools during their chain of thought. Imagine cropping an image to focus on key details, running Python code for data analysis on the fly, or even live web searching, all seamlessly integrated. Now, you might wonder, are they safe? Good news. Under OpenAI's new version 2, Preparedness Framework, both O3 and O4-mini were evaluated thoroughly. They were reviewed by OpenAI's Safety Advisory Group and found not to cross high-risk thresholds in critical areas like biological and chemical capabilities, cybersecurity risks, AI self-improvement threats. Thanks to large-scale reinforcement learning focused on chains of thought, these models can reason carefully, even about safety policies when answering sensitive prompts. This means better robustness, better alignment, and a safer experience for everyone. OpenAI O3 and O4 Mini aren't just smarter, they're a glimpse into the future of AI tools blending deep reasoning with real-world applications. If you're a developer, researcher, or just an AI enthusiast, this is a huge step forward. OpenAI O3 and O4 Mini aren't just smarter. They're a glimpse into the future of AI tools blending deep reasoning with real-world applications. If you're a developer, researcher, or just an AI enthusiast, this is a huge step forward. That's all for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more updates on AI, tech innovations, and digital tools, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon right here on SKSR Tech. Until next time, stay curious, stay smart, and keep exploring with SKS.